$600 a month. That's Canva's price for automating your designs, if they even let you in, because it's enterprise gated. In today's video, we're replicating Canva's autofill API with Hermes and one free tool. This workflow will pick a template, get it filled, rendered, and posted every single day on autopilot. The whole workflow is 3 blocks: read, style, and send. So let's build it. So this is Templated.io, 50 free renders a month. That's 50 automated designs before you pay anything. And when you want to scale past that, it's a fraction of what Canva charges. So let's go in our account. This is the dashboard. Every design you automate lives here as a template. And then with the feature this whole video runs on, the Canva duplicator. You don't rebuild anything, just watch. You click on create new template, top right, and right here, click on Canva. And here we go, import from Canva. So let's go to our Canva account. Mine is free, by the way, so no pro, nothing. I just choose a free template. I click on customize this template. Once it opens, let's click on share, then public view link, create public view link, and grab this link by clicking copy. Okay, let's head back to templated and let's paste it here. And here we go, import design. And templated handles the rest. Layers, text, images, everything rebuilt on its side. And here we go, imports done. We've got our template, but keep in mind if your design has a lot of layers or some Canva specific fonts, you might need to adjust the card manually. 5 minutes and it's perfect. Now the part I like, look at the layers panel. Every layer is clearly named. Product image, heading, discount text, so the AI knows exactly what to change and what to put where. This naming is what makes this automation possible. So I'm not using this one for the demo, I'm using this instead. Since we're scrapping the web for news, it's the same idea but different design. Now that we've got this tool figured out, let's grab our API key. So right here, let's go to API key and let's click on copy. Now let's move to the next part. Alright, so now let's connect Templated to Hermes. Templated comes with an MCP server, which basically means Hermes can grab it and use it like a tool in its hands. And the first thing we need to do, we open chat. Chat is honestly the best way to connect anything in Hermes. Any tool, any fix, any connection problem. You just talk to it and it sorts out the config for you. No digging through files. So let me post my connection prompt for the MCP. Let's paste it here. So this basically gives Hermes the MCP link with my API key and tells it to put that same key in the config header too. Because the link gets you connected, but the header is what lets it actually render. One prompt, both handled. So let's send it. And now let's wait for Hermes to do the config work itself. No files, no manual setup. And there we go. 25 tools are enabled and discovered. So everything Templated can do, renders, templates, uploads, etc. All of it now lives inside Hermes. So let's test if it's actually working. Let me type list my templated templates. And there we go. We have the news card. This is the template we're using for our demo. Hermes now can see it, read its layers, and fill them. So our connection is done, and that was the easy part. Now before we build anything, there is one more thing I always do with a new tool. And honestly, it's the thing most people skip. We're going to create a scale for it. That way we make sure that Hermes know how to use the MCP, what settings work best, and if it ever runs into a problem, it knows how to solve it. So instead of making the same mistake twice, it learns. So let me copy the scale prompt. By the way, every prompt and command in this video is in the description as usual. So don't stress about typing along. Let me copy it and paste it here. Let's hit enter. And this right here is what makes agents actually reliable. Because tools fails, APIs change, and upload doesn't go through. And if upload doesn't go through or an image comes out wrong, that's normal. The difference is, with a skill, Hermes doesn't just fail and shrug. It finds another way, tests it, and writes it down. So every problem gets solved exactly once. That's the whole trick. And here we go. So now our tool is connected, skills in place, Hermes is now ready. Now for the next part, let's go build the actual pipeline through Kanban. So let's click on Kanban, and this is where the whole automation takes shape. So before we automate anything, one rule I always follow. You test the whole flow on the Kanban board first. That way you never do the work twice. If it runs clean here, automating it later is just flipping a switch. So let's build our pipeline. It's 3 tasks, 3 phases. So here's the plan. Phase 1 hands the news and sends me 3 headlines on Telegram. I pick one. Phase 2 takes my pick, finds 3 matching images. I pick again. Phase 3 takes both picks, fills our template, and delivers the finished card straight to my phone. I choose, Hermes does everything else. So let's create our first task here in Triage. Let's call it Phase 1. Let's select the profile as default. That's the profile connected to my Telegram. I don't need to create another profile for this demo. And let's hit create. Let's open it. So here I'm switching on Telegram notifications. Honestly, the task already messages me. We will tell it in the prompt explicitly, so this won't add much, but I flip it anyway just to be safe. And now let's add our prompt in the description. Let's click on edit. So let me copy my prompt. Let's paste it here. So quick look at what it does. It searches the news, picks the 3 best stories, and sends them to my Telegram. Then we have this watch memory part. That's the secret sauce. It tells Hermes when I reply with just a number, that's my pick. No back and forth. And then it blocks the task. It stops and waits for me. So let's save it. Now let's create the second task. Let's call it Phase 2. So same setup. Let's add default here, Telegram, and let's add a parent link. So let's select Phase 1. That way this phase won't start until Phase 1 is completed. Okay, let's add our prompt here. So this one reads my headline pick from the board, hands 3 images for the exact story, sends them to my phone, and waits. And it's got image rules baked in, clean sources only, and it even checks file sizes to catch watermarked previews. These little rules are what make the output actually usable. Let's save it, and let's create our final phase, which is Phase 3. Okay, let's create. Okay, let's add default here, and let's add a parent, which is Phase 2. Let's hit create, and let's add our prompt. So this one reads both my picks, preps the image, fills every layer of our template, headline, subtitle, date, our branding, and sends the finished card to Telegram. And it leans on the scale we built earlier, so all those settings are already dialed in. Let's save. So before we fire it up, 3 tasks in Triage. Phase 1 hands headlines, I pick. Phase 2 hands images, I pick. Phase 3 builds and delivers. Then the board runs the machine, and Telegram is just the remote. Okay, so Phase 1 is the starter. It has no parent, so I will drag it to ready. And let's put Phase 2 and Phase 3 in to do. Let's click on Nudge Dispatcher, and let's watch the board. And there it is. Our headlines are on Telegram. Let's see them. So let's select one of them. For example, I like number 3. Let me just pick a number and reply, and watch the board as the task gets unblocked. And look at that, 1 digit, and the whole thing just wakes up. Phase 1's done, Phase 2 started itself. That's the parent link doing its job. Now it's hunting images for my story. And now comes the images. Let's see them. So we have 3 choices. Let's select one. I'll select the first one. So I'll type 1. And now Phase 3 will be up. Phase 3 is preparing the build, grabbing the image, prepping it, filling the template, all with the scale settings. So nothing to fix by hand. And there is our cart, finally. So let's see the result. And look at this, AI agent market, 2.3 billion. Fresh story, clean image, our branding ready to post. I replied with only 2 numbers and this landed on my phone. So it automatically shortened the headline to fit the cart. The image was prepped and sized. The date is live. I didn't touch any of it. That's the skill and the pipeline working together. But I still dragged the tasks myself. So we need to automate this so that every day you receive a message from Telegram to select the article and image and publish wherever you want. To automate this, I'm going to tell Hermes to reset the pipeline and run it every morning. Let me paste the prompt. So what this does, every morning at 9, Hermes wipes yesterday's run clean, keeps my 3 tasks exactly as I built them, and pushes phase 1 to ready. The dispatcher does the rest, and that last line, I'm telling it to fire once right now, because I never trust a schedule I haven't watched run. So enter. And this is what I love about Hermes. I'm not opening a CRON editor, I'm not writing a schedule file. I described what I want in plain English, and it's building the job right now. So CRON saved, 9 AM every day. Let's tell it, run it right now. And there it is, the pipeline just woke up on its own. And we got our fresh headlines. Let's select the first one, NA10, I love it. And we've got our images. Let's pick one. I'll pick the first. And here we go, our card lands. So the pipeline works great, running from a schedule, driven from Telegram, every single day at 9. Okay, so the card we just made is a static image, perfect for a post. But for stories, for reels, for anything in a feed, motion wins. And we can do that with Templated. We can turn our card into a slightly animated video in just one prompt. So watch this. I will ask Hermes to render the exact same card, same story, as an animated video. Let me paste this. So same card, but the background drifts like a documentary shot and the text builds in piece by piece. So 5 seconds and a clean loop. Let's hit enter. And this is the part that will take you an hour in Canva dragging keyframes. And we got our video. Let's look at it. So it's clean. The image is drifting, the badge pops, headline, subtitle. So ready for stories, ready for reels. Let's share it on our social media. You can use any tool you want. I use Blotato. So let me tell it, use Blotato to share the video as a story and the pic as a post. And let's hit enter. So image goes to the feed, video goes to stories. Caption is optional, but you can add it, of course. And you can also add the sharing to the pipeline by just telling Hermes to do so. And there we go. They are both published. Let's check them out. So let me open the Instagram. So we got our post and the story. So everything is working great. And that's the whole build. Every prompt and command is in the description. You can take a look at them. Templated is linked there too, plus my Hostinger link if you want the same setup I run. See you in the next one.